they growing?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you hit it. Good job. Bye, Smallwood Farm. Thanks for watching. You ready to work? Bye. Hey guys, back on the Smallwood Farm. A little bit of clearing some brush for the goat area here behind our potential aquarium to raise tilapia. Bolus over there heard something going on, had to come hang out, see what's happening. Back dragging the brush for what we can. At least it's a nice spring day in Texas. About 67 degrees. Trying to get it done before it gets hot. Until next time, thanks for watching. I mentioned this is going to be one of the areas for the goats. They end up with a pond dug out here. It's got a bunch of sawdust in it right now. I got to clear out. But that's going to be a catch water pond. For what was once to be, potentially will be, spot to raise tilapia. Got a bunch of tanks in there. Irrigation systems, filters. Show you that when it's when I get time to clean up in there, make it look a little more presentable. The well house, got to get another pump for. Chicken coop. Said we're going to come off the edge of that chicken coop over to this shipping container. Change it up. Go sideways on you. They're going to have from the side of this barn, from the corner over to the shipping container, and then from the back of this barn to the existing fence back over there. Got an old drag box, or what used to be an old drag box sitting out there, yard ornament. Just part of the brush, what I've done today. Since I've been home about 3 o'clock, it's about 5 o'clock now. Take advantage every hour we can with the temperatures we got, for sure. And then essentially the fence will carry on, blocking off the back side of the 2 containers. Trying to get some organization. Just put those shelves up yesterday, put those racks up yesterday. Get some things moved out of the yard. Just moved our 7,000 square foot wood shop to the property here. That's why you're seeing the containers. Go into that more later. But we're gonna put a fence up, blocking between the corner of the barn there and this other container. There's obviously a path. I don't think it ever had a gate there, but if Bullis comes through, probably gonna end up cleaning up that fence line so he can still poke his head over. But this is gonna be on the goats also for now. Take down this hot wire that's here. Sorry, Bullis. You'll have some friends at least. Alright, well, back to it. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time. Still out here clearing this little bit of fence line. It's a tip for anybody that may be doing this. I'm sure most people that have done this multiple times may already know, but just seen somebody clearing some similar brush the other day, and it's kind of going about it a harder way than they should have. Got these vines. I'm not quite sure what they are. Poison ivy does the same thing, runs right along with it. So a lot of it is poison ivy, but it's thorny vines. See if I can find out what they're actually called. If anybody knows, feel free to comment. But I've seen people just trying to cut at it, cut at it, cut at it, cut at it. Just trying to cut it out of the way. And you still never get the problem. This stuff will actually pull. If you get a good enough piece like that, you can pull this out of the top of a 20-foot, 30-foot tree. May not be the best example with just one hand. Still trying to get used to holding the camera. But it works. Feel free to try it. Thanks again. Guys, a little bit of the after cleanup, during cleanup. Figure some folks might ask, why are we cleaning up all the brush when we're getting goats? Well, because I know there's a bad section of fence from about right there to right there. This fence had been redone years and years ago. We had redone it. You can tell that that's been some while ago. But it's still a good fence. It's just grown up. That's nothing bad. This area, I think, may have been used as a gate, so it was just barbed wire at some point, just to access point if needed, so it never got the full hog panel, goat panel put on it, which is the same thing I'll be using once again for the new sections of fence. But so I got to finish clearing this much out. Get to that fence, get it restrung. Until next time, thanks again. Hey guys and gals, how y'all doing? Wanted to take a second to show you what was going on today. I headed to pick up my second round of fencing for our goats and chickens. Apparently the first round that I bought wasn't the right stuff, so here we are once again at our local Tractor Supply, here to hopefully get the right stuff this time. That's what we got going on for now. I will show you what we end up with after we get it. Hey guys, back again. Back here at the Smallwood farm, aka Rancho de Smallwood, as I'm told to call it. Just got back from Tractor Supply with our new fencing and a few T-posts for our goat and chicken pen. Don't know how well the chickens will stay in, but hopefully the goats will stay in, keep the coyotes out. Here's what we ended up with. See, extending it here from the edge of our chicken coop. Our chickens getting to be about a month old now. They'll be ready to get out in free range before too long. Been doing some cleaning up. Just took over a family farm. Hasn't been tended to quite like it should be over the past several years, so we're getting out here. I'm trying to get things back in order, get it back into a working farm, starting with chickens and goats. That's where we're at for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.